Go ahead.
Alright, here we have the Spectrum Black Widow, and today we're going to be changing out the air distribution ring. We're going to start off by removing your fluid adjustment nozzle, followed by your needle. After that, you take your air cap, screw it on off, and then you have your fluid tip. Go ahead and remove that. Inside you have your air distribution ring. You can take a little pair of pliers and it comes right out. And when replacing, we have our smaller prong up top. It'll slide right in and fluid tip right on top. Give that a tighten. Then your air cap. Finish it up with your needle and your adjuster screw. Tighten spec and you're done.